You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Let's break it down into different languages. There's going to be different pronunciations depending on the language that you use. In Italian or Spanish, Nicola, Nicola, Nicola. In English, it's said similarly as Nicola. Nicola is generally how it's said in English. Nicola, Nicola. Some may pronounce the O a bit more as Nicola, Nicola, or Nicola. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.